Well, good morning, guys. The video for the giveaway of the small EDC kit is up. Now what we're going to talk about is the giveaway that we're doing on my channel for David Horstman at Hiking with a Viking. So we'll get into what we're giving away. Stand by. Here comes the music. So I don't remember if you guys know. I don't know if you guys remember. That would be the proper way to word that. Let's English good, Mike. I don't know if you remember here a couple years ago, before the Hornet turned into the Stonefish and became a production knife, I sent some stuff off to Birdshot and they did a giveaway on their channel for me. So it's my giveaway hosted on their channel. And they got me a ton of subscribers. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna pay that forward. I am hosting a giveaway on my channel for David Horstman over at Hiking with a Viking. Now, the deal with this is you're going to get, this isn't like a regular giveaway where there's no caveats, like everybody enters and then just stuff like that. So what you're gonna get is you get 3 of his stickers, 1 for you and 2 to give away, or 2 for you and 1 to give away, or 3 for you to do whatever you want with. You're gonna get 4 Fiberlight fire starter stickers, 2 of the black flames, 2 of the white flames. They're just photo negatives. That is the main prize. You heard me right. Main prize. There's also a second prize. Ready? I'm going to be giving away the remaining Fiberlight fire starter stickers. I believe I have 2 left, 1 of each. Well, let's check. I was correct. 2 left, 1 of each. And a Buck 845 Vantage. This isn't the Vantage Force. This isn't the black one. I'm not 100% sure what steel this one's in. I believe it's S30V. It does not have my edge. It is really sharp. And I mean, this is like a brand new knife. So that's second place. So there's actually 2 items that are being given away. This is second place. And you guys have already seen these fire starter kits, but let's look at it again. So first place, like I said, gets 3 of David's stickers. The kit that's held together with a Ranger band. It's the fire kit. This is the big one. So if you guys remember the EDC video that went up a little bit ago, you can see the size difference. This is the EDC one, and this is the fire kit one, the bigger one. It's not the EDC. Inside, so it comes with a Ranger band, always handy to have. And inside it, you have a mini ferro rod. Hang on just a second, let me grab that. A mini ferro rod and an entire tin of their waterproof, wax impregnated tinder. Now, I'm gonna tell you right now, you don't need much of this. This is enough to make several fires. So you get both of those in this kit, tied up with a Ranger band, with 3 of David's stickers, and 4 of the Fiberlight fire starter stickers, and then right after that, that will be the main prize, and the second prize is a Buck 845 Vantage. I took it apart, I cleaned it up, and it does flip. I'm just not loading it well. It's hard to, I can't ever flip. There it goes. You do have to get a little bit of elbow, a little bit of wrist. So those prizes together, you're looking at, this is 20 bucks by itself. That's a $20 item. I don't know how much stickers are. A lot of times places charge for stickers. And this, I could tell you momentarily how much a Buck 845 Vantage costs. So you are looking at a $50 giveaway. $20 there. You figure these stickers are probably $1 each. You're looking about $100 worth of giveaway stuff. 2 lucky individuals are gonna get these items, and I'm gonna get these set aside and set up. So here is the deal. These are the rules of the giveaway. You have to subscribe to my channel. You also then have to subscribe to David's channel. David's channel, if we get it to, he's just under 100 subscribers right now. He's right about 173 when I checked the last time, 170 or 73, 75, something like that. I would like to see us get David to 200 subscribers. We're gonna do it even if we get close. So we're gonna give this 5 days. So today is Thursday. So we will run this from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, 5 days from now. And we'll see how this goes, and I will get it all set up and we'll do the actual giveaway video. Your entry is your comment below and that you have subscribed to David's channel. Those are the two things you have to do. You have to make sure that you're subscribed to me, which most people are. Make sure you subscribe to David, and then make a comment below. Your comment doesn't have to be anything in particular. You can just say, hey, nice video, whatever you want. We'll go through it. I will assign everybody a number. I'll use a random number generator, and we'll pick 2 winners, one with the knife and stickers, one with the kit and stickers. So there we go. Membership stuff is not a thing yet, but I've already picked out what my first giveaway for my members will be. It is not a cheap item. It's something I've had for a while, and it's a fairly pricey item. So we will talk about that in a later video, but right now, let's get this giveaway started. Let's get David some subscribers. He is currently doing a giveaway from some archery sites, bow sites, on his Instagram that is running from now until the 18th. So go follow him on Instagram too. Once again, that's Hiking with a Viking. You got to subscribe to that. And if you're not subscribed to him on Instagram, find him Hiking with a Viking. He does giveaways and stuff like that. He's got bow sights or a knife. I can't remember which we said. He's giving away something. Something not cheap, like a Mora. Like, he gives away a lot of stuff on his Instagram. So go over and check him out on Instagram. Make sure you subscribe to him on YouTube, because that's how you're going to be able to get your stuff, because we're going to verify that people are subscribed to him. Once the subscriber count goes up, we will, if we get close to 200, we'll definitely have made a big impact on his channel and get him some exposure. So great guy, love him. He's a retired Marine. He's just like the Fiberlight fire starter guys. Great guy. They really were accommodating, really nice to me up in Portland. The guys from Fiberlight are talking about taking me to Portland this year with them. So, all right, guys, that's it. That's the giveaway. Let's get this out of the way. Forgot to say, down in the corners, David's channel, a link to his channel is going to be right here so that you can subscribe. Hiking with a Viking. The other corners will be the same things you always see. There'll be a subscription link here. Here it'll be a subscription link. Here will be a video that YouTube thinks you like, and down here is going to be probably my Patreon for now. I'm probably going to just not keep doing Patreon on there, because I think that the YouTube membership is going to be much more seamless and provide me an opportunity to provide you guys some more individualized content for certain people. So, guys, take it easy. I'll see you in the next video, which is getting filmed momentarily.